Now we're going to learn how to knit. So we still have our 10 cast on stitches. Now you need to learn how to hold the yarn. I do this by the throw method because it's easiest for me. But take the yarn so that it's nice and long behind you, and over the top, under the second, over the third, and around the fourth. Over the top, under the second, over the third, and around the fourth. And you can push them down, and you'll hold this tight here. Not too tight, but that's how you can keep a gauge. It's by how tight you hold your hand while you knit. Now, we have a needle with no stitches, a needle with stitches. The needle with stitches was always in the left hand first. So what you're going to do is you're going to go in. So as you can see, it's just in there and behind. Go around so you can see the new stitch there and pull it through. Lift her up. And that's the knit stitch.